These are four ducks standing on the side of a swimming pool. Now the ducks want to swim on the swimming pool. For this, all the three ducks ready herself to swim on swimming pool. The jump of the duck number 1 is really nice, and the duck is now swimming on swimming pool. Guess I must be partly duck, for I love rainy weather and a rainstorm get together. Five little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only poor little duck came back. The jump of the duck number 2 is really nice, and the duck number 2 is now swimming on swimming pool. Maybe I'm not only partly duck, maybe I'm half a goose. Paul seemed to think so when I pass quite plainly on the loose. Poor little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. The jump of duck number 3 is really nice. Now she is swimming on swimming pool. Yes, I like rainy weather a lot, and I begged the old weatherman to send a good heavy splashing shower. Three little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back.